Okay, let's try pick this Medeco here. If you will focus, it is hopefully same focus. Maybe every time I move in shadow, it'll probably move out of focus. But here's the key. Here's the key. There are the cuts on the key, and it does work very nicely indeed. Yeah, let's snap off the key. So let's see if we can get it picked. Messing up. Okay, we're gonna use Sparrow short hook and Sparrow's deep hook. Okay, let's try to do this. Anti-clockwise way I normally do, and start over here, pin 1. Okay, I find the best way it's worked for me so far is to use heavy tension and try and set the pins while so you're trying to set the rotation basically while you're setting the drivers. That didn't work. Okay, where are we now? This down. Oops. I certainly haven't. Yes, there we go. Oops, not bad at all. Okay. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, let's see if we can cut it as well. It's quite quiet during that pick, I know. Still fairly new to these Medecos. Dog is having a dream. Dog is dreaming. Okay, let's put that there. I'll try and bend the neck on this turkey. He's on. Okay. Let me see. Try and got this lock. Yeah. I think I'll go ahead and put it there actually. Okay, so just bear with me if you will. Now this here, this Allen wrench. Let's start here. So yeah, she's picked actually. Let's not let it lock back up. You see, picked. Quite happy with that. I've been trying to get this Medeco for a while. Well, I've been trying to get it all day on film, to be honest with you. I've picked it. This is my 6th time. Sorry, 7th time to pick the lock. Picked it 3 times today. I think I had 4 picks on with fully pinned up with the 6 pins. Okay, pin 6. So I'm very happy with that. Okay, pin 6 out you get. I'll arrange them in a second. Yes, now I can do a few other videos. that I have this Medeco officially done. It's taken me a while. I've been at this, picking away at this lock for a month, easy. Maybe more than a month. But that's one ticked off. And anyway, I have two more there, but I think I'll leave them for a while. I have some very good challenge locks there. And the H was kind enough to lend me, and I want to do videos with them. Those locks too, because I know they'll have some nice pins in them. Okay, let's see. Pin 3 now. Okay, what you get? Pin 2. And pin 1. Pin 1, okay. Now, this is quite loose. I couldn't find a flathead screwdriver today. So, I had to improvise. Left one screw in it for the sake of nothing. Come in now again. Oops. Now the tailpiece off, and then the side bar will be on this side. Maybe here. I'll keep interested in too. Okay, so now there's some those discs for drill protection there. And there's this sidebar, all the pins. Okay, I'll move out of the way of the light. See if it will refocus, maybe. Okay, let's get this sidebar out first and again have a look at that closely. Okay, now there we go. Medeco, oops. Medeco sidebar. All intact, oops. Springs now. And put that there also. Oops. Oh, there you go, all the key pins. Did it not come out? None of them did, in fact. Okay, let me move on here. Okay, better go same way. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, 5 and 6. Okay, now we can just arrange these as the tweezers. Okay, pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Some of these have false gates, and like one false gate and one true gate. That one does. That one has a false gate. This phone will probably never pick that up. It might if I was any use, but no, I'm asking for too much. Yeah, like I said, I think there's 5 doors, 5 of the 4 of the false gate, 3, I think 2, yeah, 2 does as well. 1 doesn't, so 1 doesn't, 6 doesn't. Mushroom in 1 and a mushroom in 6. Let me see if I can get you in closer for a closer look. Hope the camera doesn't fall over. Oops. Yeah. Here we go. Medeco. Very happy with that pick. Very nice. See you again soon, hopefully. Bye.